Alright, today we're gonna make some homemade Chipotle bowls. What we got here is some chicken breast. So I'm gonna get this breast chopped up, put in a bowl, and marinate for like 30 minutes. See, Chipotle bowl is one of my favorite things. I always go to Chipotle and get that chicken, steak, brown rice, guacamole, sour cream, and tomatoes and all that. So we're gonna make that right here. Then I'm gonna charge everybody to get some. So I ain't gonna charge nobody, but we're gonna do this real quick. We're gonna marinate it. Do little seasons and stuff like that. Alright, we chopped our chicken breast up, washed our cutting board, because you never want to use meat and transfer to whatever you got going on, like your vegetables and stuff like that. You want to make sure you wash this first. Alright, we want some garlic powder. Chili powder, some chicken, some kicking chicken seasoning. If you ain't got none of this, you can put whatever you want in this. So all you're doing is marinating. So I'm just tell you the truth, I'm just putting anything in there. Put a little spice, little red peppers. I'm gonna put some little some vinegar, apple cider vinegar in there. Alright, just a little tangy tang, oregano, bop. Alright. A little lemon. Just a little lemon. Soy sauce. Usually I have my my low sodium soy sauce, but we ran out of that. Alright, little spice rub. If you ain't got none of this, use whatever you got. I'm just going with the flow. Bam. Onion powder. I love a little onion powder. Bam. Now, olive oil. Now, I recommend getting this Sprinkle 24 herb spice. This one got everything. I'm just gonna name a few. Or if you can see it, you see. You probably ain't focusing on like that, but I'll name a few. We got onion, mint, garlic, granulated onion, tomato, black pepper, basil, extra virgin, olive oil, tarragon, lemon peels, orange peels, vinegar. It got a lot of stuff in here, trust me. Turmeric, it's organic. Bam, you already know. Put that in there. I'm gonna put a little Latinx on there. I like this right here. I'm gonna mix it up. Let that marinate for like 30 or 45 minutes. Once you can smell this right here, this thing gonna be heavy, trust me. Alright, I chopped my steak up already. So I ain't gonna put too much seasoning on the steak. Probably put some garlic, olive oil. Let me see. What else? Onion powder. And my favorite seasoning. That's about it. And some olive oil. Man. Seems like the rice is ready. So let's open it up. Even though this is my first time using this, it's brand new. I gotta let all that out right there. Man, go in there. Alright, hold on.
Yeah, what kind of food can we make?
3 more hours.
I want the steak. Boy, you can cook. I don't know why you don't work in the restaurant business. You should try to get a loan and get your own restaurant.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you can cut it.
Meow.
You can cut it.
You got lemon in it?
Lime. Keep going. Keep going. Nice. I like beans. Oh, keep going. Cut it. Man, you don't twist don't eat tomatoes.
You got sour cream? I don't eat guac.
That's mine anyway. Okay. I know why you don't eat rock. I had a bowl. Let's see.